Today in the late afternoon, I had a meeting with the Honorable Power Minister and the Chairman of MECL. And the discussion was regarding the distribution franchisees, which the REC has put in the conditions for the Atmanirbhar loan to be sanctioned, the second tranche. The MECL and the Power Department for almost 3 to 4 months now have been discussing regarding this issue about giving 100% budgetary support for the 1,345 crore Atmanirbhar loan that has been given, which is also one of the conditions put in by the REC. But when this condition was put in, the finance department felt that the state government and the finance department should not take the entire burden of this loan, and some part of it should also be put on MECL's shoulders. And hence, the finance department felt that at least 25% of this loan repayment amount should be in some way or the other incorporated into the overall improvement and efficiency of the MECL. And that is where the REC proposed that certain distribution circles can be then given for management to the REC. Now, this has plus and this has minus also of it. The plus side of the whole thing is that the government, if decides to give the entire guarantee for this loan, then the distribution franchises will not be given. But the negative side of this is that if that were the case, then government has to pay additional 580 crores in the next 10 years. And if we go ahead with this, then obviously some of the circles will be given to REC for management. But at the same time, the finance pressure will be lesser. So therefore, there is a plus and minus to both of these. And the discussion along with the minister and the chairman revolved around the point that if the finance department agrees to give full budgetary provision, then MECL also has to agree to certain terms and conditions on how we can improve the overall efficiency of MECL. Therefore, on those points, the Honorable Minister informed me that he had a meeting with his officials also, and there was a discussion on how this could be moved forward, and some proposals were given. Now, these proposals definitely have a lot of merit. It was a very positive discussion. But since this matter is going to be discussed in the cabinet tomorrow at 12:30, so therefore we will place it in front of the cabinet, and accordingly the cabinet will take a decision tomorrow on how we should move forward. But the power minister, the department, and MECL have once again appealed that none of the distribution circles should be given out as a franchisee, and they have again requested the finance department to take the entire guarantee of the loan. So we will positively examine this, and we will do what is in the best interest of MECL and also in the best interest of the state government. So that was a discussion. It was a positive discussion, and a lot of positive suggestions came forward. But as mentioned, the final decision will be taken tomorrow in the cabinet meeting at 12:30.